Introducing Closed Caption Creator version 1.8.22. We're introducing several new features in our February release of Closed Caption Creator. Starting with updates to the AI transcription import dashboard. We've updated our import scripts to provide better formatting and line break insertion. When importing AI subtitles, users should notice events are better formatted and breaks are inserted when appropriate. We've also updated the automatic sync and alignment feature to better align subtitles and audio. The automatic alignment tool can also generate a missing dialog list, which can be imported as a separate event group to be used to compare results and see if there are any spots where you may be missing subtitles or closed captioning. Next, we've added a new reply and status checkbox to the Notes component. This new reply field allows for better communication between QC teams. Users can insert a reply to a note and even mark a note as complete. Once a note is marked as done, the note's flag color will change from yellow to green. We've made navigating your project even easier by adding a new event ID input near the bottom of the event list. Users can enter an event ID, hit enter, and the event list will automatically jump to that event. Finally, we've added a new option to the event list context menu to assign time codes based on the set reading speed. Simply select one or more events, right-click over the event list, and click Calculate Timing by CPS. CPS stands for characters per second. This feature looks at the event text and calculates a duration based on the number of characters. Version 1.8.22 is now available for all users. Please visit www.closedcaptioncreator.com to learn more.